Hi guys, today I have some of Rement's newest squishies. These are the donut ones, and I got these from Fancy Miniatures. So yeah, and before I open these up, if you guys wanna check out my two older videos, I also opened up these two. This is a pastry one and a bakery one. I'll leave the links down below. Okay, so here are the squishies. There's 11 to collect, but there's only 10 per the box. And then, yeah, there's one secret one, which is super hard to find. They don't have a picture, but I'll replace one of these out of the regular 10. Yeah, and so this technically isn't a full box. I already opened up one on my Instagram, so I'll be opening up 9 today. And let's get started. Okay, here's the first one. These all have the same packaging. You rip it open from here. Okay. Okay, each of these comes with this little list, just the ones that you can get. Okay, and it looks like we got the cruller donut. Let's open it up. Here it is, has some nice texture. And yeah, it's pretty squishy. Okay, let's continue opening these. Okay, again, we have a list, and this is an old-fashioned donut. Here it is. It's pretty detailed, and yeah, by the way, these are not scented. Put that here so this one isn't as lonely. Okay, let's open up the third one. Ooh. Okay, again, a list, and this one is the double cream donut. This one looks pretty cool. Pretty big compared to the others too. These are kind of tricky to open. Ooh, this one's really soft. This one's really slow too. It's kind of weird how they differ in texture, like whimsy. And you have some whipped cream there. The bottom. Yeah, this is a really good one. Okay, on to the next. This one is the mochi ring. Well, this one's kind of cool looking. Let's see the next one. Again, we got a list, and this is the churro. I love churros. Here we go. Well, this one's pretty soft as well. And pretty slow. Kind of like almost stretchy, like you want to stretch it, but you know, can't. Probably break. Don't advise doing that. Oh yes, I really like this one. Here's the heart donut. And it has some sprinkles. There we go. Yeah, so you gotta be careful with this one. Oh, and this is also a softer one. It's actually like they just glued them on there. really pretty as well. Here's the twist donut. This one has some powdered sugar on it. Okay, second last one. This is the mochi cream donut. This is kind of confusing. Let me just use the scissors here. Here we go, much easier. Ooh, this one's kind of different. Some whipped cream in the middle. And the last one. We have the croissant donut. This one has a lot of details too. Oops, let me just. Ooh, look at the detail on the top. You have like some chocolate drizzle. I would want to eat this if it was real. Okay, so here's the full set, and this is the one I opened up on my Instagram. This is the chocolate donut. Also has some sprinkles. Yeah, and unfortunately, we didn't get the chaser, which is like a donut, like a white heart donut like this. But it has some chocolate drizzle, I'm pretty sure. So let me know what's your favorite kind of donut in the comments below, and thanks for watching!